What's the meaning of it all? Sometimes it's just being here.
Now this moment is pretty good. That's enough.
Yeah. It really is.